Okay, good morning everyone. Um, Remember we learned type 1 conditional sentences in our last lesson? Remember that? Okay. Before we begin the lesson today, I want to go over it very quickly. Okay, let me ask you some questions. Josh, what will happen if you miss the bus? You'll be late for school. Good. If I miss the bus, I will be late for school. Alright, Jenny, what will you do if it rains tomorrow? You stay at home. Okay. If it rains tomorrow, I will stay at home. Good. Justin, what will your teacher feel if you fail the test? Very mad. Alright. If I fail test, my teacher will be very mad. Awesome. Okay. These are type 1 conditional sentences. When do we use it? We use it when we talk about situations that are possible and very likely. Okay. Possible and very likely. If I miss the bus, I'll be late for school. Probably the bus comes every 1 hour, and if I miss it, I have to wait for another hour. So I will be late for school. Okay? Now, if it rains tomorrow, I will stay at home. The weather forecast says it's gonna rain tomorrow. So if it rains, I'll just stay at home, not going anywhere. If it rains tomorrow, I will stay at home. Okay? If I fail the test, my teacher will be very mad. You fail again. Very mad. Okay? Now, in type 1 conditional sentences, or in any conditional sentences, there is a conditional clause or if clause, and there is a main clause. Conditional clause or if clause and a main clause. Conditional clause, main clause. Conditional clause, main clause. Alright. Then in type 1 conditionals, we use simple present tense to talk about possible future condition in the conditional clause, and we use will plus the base verb to talk about situations that are possible in the main clause. Okay? Simple present tense, will plus base verb, simple present tense in the conditional clause, and will plus base verb in the main clause. Okay? Alright. Now think about situations where that are possible and very unlikely. Okay? Can you think of some situations that are possible but very unlikely? Not likely to happen. I'll give you an example. Becoming a billionaire. For me, becoming a billionaire is possible, but I don't think it's gonna happen to me. Okay? Becoming a billionaire. And Katie, can you think of some situations that are unlikely? Okay, becoming a president. Wow. George, winning a lottery. Ooh, very difficult, isn't it? And Winnie, snowing in summer. Snowing in summer. Wow. This is very unlikely situation. Okay? Alright, so in these situations, we use not type 1 conditionals, this time type 2 conditional sentences. If I became a billionaire, I would travel around the world. Okay? As you can see, type 2 conditional sentences are very similar to type 1 conditional sentences in sentence structure. We use type 2 conditional sentences to talk about situations that are possible but extremely unlikely. Some hypothetical situations. Okay? And by the end of this lesson, you should be able to write type 2 conditional sentences, and you should be able to know when to use it and how to use it. Any questions? Okay, let's get started.